she says everybody has got a different sort of hobby. My hobby is sometimes I take different recipes and try to cook. And about Huzur, she says that Huzur in fact has got a very good hand in cooking. He mentioned on so many occasions. So she says, Huzur, have you got any interesting incident or interesting thing related with cooking that you might want to love to share with us?
But this cooking lesson is not possible to be given on television unless there are utensils and things. So she should contact my daughter Faiza and ask her to give her some cooking lessons according to my taste. And the condition is that she should bring something, our own cooking, first. Maybe it's as good as ours, huh? But a small thing, something, not much. So we'll enjoy a meeting at home between her and my daughter Faiza and me. Right? Huh? See, our late father was also sometimes fond of cooking, and he used to hold contests during our trips to the canal nearby. On holidays sometimes we used to go for picnics, and almost whole of Qadian went to picnic. I mean, not whole, but lot of people went there. And we used to hold a cooking contest. So I remember that my father was also participating in this cooking contest, and he failed. Deetth Sahib was a judge and some others, and everybody had a good laugh. Why did he fail? So it was because he was tasting the salt just from the ghee, and the salt is in the masala. It's not, discernible in the ghee alone. So he kept on adding salt after tasting the ghee, with the result that it was impossible to eat that. So everybody had a good laugh. That is a family tradition that we always take part in cooking, household cooking, etc. And some of us have developed special knack in this. My late elder brother Mirza was also an excellent cook.